Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, today we're going to see another interesting recipe that's not just amazing and is quick and easy to make but also healthy as it's low in carb and keto friendly, and it's sauteed broccoli zucchini recipe which you can pair along with grilled fish or chicken breast or even with cottage cheese and mashed potatoes for a complete meal. So friends, let's get started with this healthy and delicious veggie recipe. So here in this bowl I have taken some broccoli cut into medium sized florets like this, and I have blanched them in hot salt water for a minute to get rid of any insecticides or pesticides. Next in this bowl I have taken some zucchini cut diagonally into this shape and size, and I have kept them slightly thick so that they don't turn mushy when you cook them. Then also you will need lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 5 large garlic pods. Some onion juliennes, and you can separate the layers. Next I have taken some red and yellow bell peppers cut into this shape and size. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we'll heat some olive oil in a pan. We'll spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is slightly hot, we'll add the blanched broccoli florets. And now on medium flame we will saute the broccoli florets for 1 to 2 minutes by occasionally stirring them in between. And now we'll create some space in the center of the pan into which we'll add the minced garlic. Saute this for a minute or so. And once the garlic turns golden brown in color, we will add now the onion juliennes into the pan and we'll saute them for another 1 to 2 minutes. And you can see I'm cooking the veggies in minimal oil, making it a healthy option to consider in your weight loss diet plan. And once the broccoli florets are almost 60% cooked, we will add the zucchini pieces. And we have added them now after partially cooking the broccoli florets, as zucchini doesn't take much time to get cooked, and if you overcook them they tend to turn soggy, which doesn't taste good. Alright, and now we'll quickly season the veggies with some salt as per taste, some black pepper. Next goes a teaspoon of mixed herbs, which will greatly enhance the flavor of the veggies. Half teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional though. We'll now stir and mix the seasonings well along with the veggies for 1 to 2 minutes until they are well combined. And now we need to cover and let them cook on low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the veggies now. We'll stir them once, and our veggies are almost cooked and we don't want to overcook them. Finally, into this we will add the red and yellow bell peppers, and we need to saute them for just 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame, as we want to retain the crunch and lovely color of the veggies. And friends, our low carb keto friendly sauteed broccoli zucchini is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. And friends, here goes our sauteed broccoli zucchini recipe, which is not just healthy but delicious too. And since it is keto friendly and low carb, it's a great option to include in your weight loss diet plan. So do try this amazing recipe and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Also, you can check out my other healthy and keto friendly recipes. So see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.